Hi, I'm Beau Ballin, Vice President of Marketing with MotivAction in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today talking about app adoption. Three quick things that we've used or seen that really increases participation and utilization of event apps for conferences and meetings. The first thing is pre-event communication. A lot of people think about a mobile application as just something supporting the event for the 1 or 2 days that it exists, but it's really about looking at that app as perhaps even a year-round tool. So leading up to the events, months before, pre-event materials, videos to promote the event, push notifications to communicate it. Anything that you can do to get early adoption of the app prior to the event is going to enhance the on-site experience. The second thing that's often overlooked or that we've had great success with is on-site app support staff. So whether the event is for 10 people or 10,000 people, it's still amazing to me the number of people, even with the proliferation of applications and handheld devices. Everybody has a smartphone, everyone has a tablet, but there's still a considerable amount of people that aren't familiar with Google Play in terms of the store, or even the iTunes App Store, and making sure that they know what their password is to access those two tools to download the app if they haven't done so prior to the event. So having just a few staff people on site to answer questions, and of course to promote it at registration. So as they're getting their name badge, have you remember to download the app for the event. And then the final thing, and perhaps it's obvious, is really integrating the app into your event experience. So if you have speakers, as an example, using the Q&A that most applications have to submit questions to the speakers. We've done things where we have essentially a wall where people submit statements. We call it an I will statement. So a CEO might be on stage and use an application to submit an I will statement. I will lead with courage and transparency, and then encourage all of the attendees to enter in their own I will statements and have those display behind in sort of a production screen. So again, not just making it about a schedule and a list of attendees, but making it an interactive part of the event. As people understand that that's how they participate in the event, that it's a key tool, you'll see adoption and utilization go through the